Hello everyone, I'm now in Dingxi City of Northwest China's Gansu province. Follow my cameras, you will see here are little green barrels, and over there is a green wall. You may ask, what are they? They are sand fixation night. Several days later, the World Environment Day and the World Day to Combat Desertification are about to come. And today, I will take all of you to visit this eco-friendly enterprise, Gansu HOTO Desert Control Technology Company. And we will know how to make these kind of sand fixation night. Let's go. Hello everyone, now I'm in the production line of this company, and from my cameras we can see all the tiny PE materials were melting in this machine, and then the knitting machine will make all the plastic pieces into this kind of wires. And this automatic production line can create the plastic pieces into the wires. Hello everyone. After melting the tiny pieces plastic into this kind of wires, all the knitting machines, they are knit the plastic wires into the sand fixation night. For our cameras, we can see all the knitting machines are working now. And during the last few years, this factory has also cooperated with China's Academy of Sciences to promote their desert control technology. And nowadays, the product has been imported to Mauritania and other African countries. Following cameras, we can see this is a row of plastic wires, and all the tiny plastic pieces were made into this kind of wire, and then they will become the sand fixation nights. And next month, this factory will also make the new material, and the wire will be biodegradable and durable. And the new technology will promote China's desert control technology.